If I told you there's a place in Dubai where demand is exploding but supply is nearly frozen, would you believe it's also waterfront and affordable? Let me tell you about something most people are completely missing about this upcoming hotspot. Hi, this is Anora, and today we are diving into a place that's not just coming up, it's quietly becoming the center of gravity for New Dubai. It's Dammam Riverside. Now I know Dubai Investment Park Phase 2 might not sound flashy, but here's what no one tells you. It's sitting right in the golden intersection between Expo City, Al Maktoum Airport, and Mohammed bin Zayed Road. And what do these three places have in common? They are about to become the next mega zone for international businesses, global logistics, and tech hubs. That means one thing: people, and lots of them. Now let's talk about numbers. Expo City is exploding, but it can't house everyone moving in. Drive around that area, count the residential communities. You'll need less than one hand. Now zoom out. Where will all these new professionals, staff, and families go? Exactly, Riverside. That's not a speculation, that's inevitability. In this corridor, only three big players hold the best land. You have Emaar, Azizi, and Dammam. But only one sits at the sweet spot, not too deep into Dubai South and not too far from the main highways. Guess who? Again, Riverside. The latest cluster being launched, Azure 2, is perfectly timed. And here's the kicker. It's one of the only communities in the area offering compact investment-ready units. You have studios and one bed, and that too, this building is placed strategically right beside school zone. It's like the Mac is whispering to smart investors. This is your entry point. Now, this isn't just a building. It's a fully waterfront-inspired community. Think lagoons, green spaces, walkways, the whole resort living in the city experience. And the price point? Let's just say for this location, for this lifestyle, it's a steal deal. Now, to talk about the pricing, well, your studios start from 750,000 dirhams. That's the average pricing, and size of about 400 square feet. And for one bedroom, the average pricing is 1.18 million, and the size about 720 to 800. So the payment plan is 75-25 with 1% monthly, and the handover is in 2029. So let's recap what we have just pierced together. An underserved location, surrounded by corporate growth, strategically positioned among top developers, offering affordable compact units in waterfront setting. Now that's not just smart, that's visionary. Now, I have made a complete analysis on which units you should grab on. So if you are someone who sees trends before they go mainstream, Dammam Riverside might be just perfect for you. And we're not just talking about the location, we are also talking about the price point, the entry price that you're entering in this community. We have entirely a waterfront community which is not in and around the Al Maktoum International Airport. Now, if you want to know more about Dammam Riverside or are interested in it, then contact me on the number given below and I will catch you back in the next video.